Hi, this is Chris Kilkenny with paperfairychris.blogspot.com, and today I'm going to show you how to do the re-inker and bubble technique. The first thing you will need is equal parts of dish soap and water, and then add a generous amount of Stampin' Up! Re-inker. Mix all of this together with a straw, and then you'll blow bubbles into this mixture. Once you've got lots of bubbles, add them to your cardstock. I've used thick, basic white Stampin' Up! Cardstock. This is a technique I saw from an artist named Catherine Rains. She did this technique using acrylic paint, and I thought, I want to try this with Stampin' Up! Re-inkers. And it worked. Now let's make a card. I'm stamping some images onto some basic white cardstock using clear Versamark. And then off camera, I'm going to heat emboss the images using clear embossing powder. Once the images have been embossed, blow your bubbles into your re-inker and bubble mixture, and then add the bubbles all over the paper, all over the image. Your embossed images will resist the ink, so it's an emboss resist technique as well. Once the bubbles have popped and started to dry, you can then wipe some of the ink off of your embossed images. I added some white gesso mixed with just a little bit of water, and I flicked some of this paint onto my card images. Once that's dry, I assembled the card. The stamp set that I'm using here is from the July 2023 paper pumpkin kit called Fun in the Sun. Ta-da! Now I'm going to show you what not to do. Remember, I said gently apply the bubbles. Oh no! Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and visit my blog for some more crafty inspiration. Bye-bye.